I work in an industry that's rather slow, so the faster I am, the better is my chance to beat competition. And QYOBO is a catalyst to that. My name is Andreas, I'm based in Munich. I'm the founder and CEO of Adragos, which is a contract development and manufacturing organization. M&A related questions always carry a huge weight, so those are the ones you want to definitely get right. QYOBO provides me with an end-to-end view of what's happening in the market and who's acting in the market, and having the ability to very quickly get a feel for the segment in its entirety and then being able to drill down. That is a very quick way of driving a decision. For me, there are 4 elements that are important in decision taking: is the speed by which I take a decision, the effort I put in to take it, the quality of the decision itself, and then how I execute on it. Those 4 factors combined determine whether I'm better or slower than my competition. And I want to get them all right, and QYOBO is a good supporting tool to enable that. QYOBO's early predictions are very helpful. I find your warning letter predictions the most daring thing that you do, but it is very accurate. We look at it and the potential implications to our customers and whether we can help in any way should there be problems for them. Sometimes your team flags supply issues in the market and they have a huge effect on customers and patients. Now, the sooner that is being raised, the better people can react, and we look very intently on those warnings and see whether we can help. In one sentence, I would say QYOBO enables me to take away common industry belief or rumors and put a database to it and drive my own true decision making.